Building a free nation comes at a price. Nation making requires 450,000 black bodies that could never escape, 3 million square miles of seized land, indigenous people displaced, eliminated, and raped. What do? I'll tell you. You survey the land, take what you like and call it your own. You exploit, privilege some and marginalize the rest, and then repeat. America, right? Where free men shall stand, right? Land of the free white straight male, for he didn't inherit Ham's curse, no. And to the republic for which many have fallen, made divisible by its own machinations. We bear witness to the American tragedy, a laughable construction financed by racial capital and powered by inequality. Our anthem celebrates a war fought over this brand of nation making. We need to change the conversation from black death to black life. We need to talk about peace. So let's talk about a thing called peace. Let's talk about a thing called Trump. Let's talk about a thing called Hillary. Let's talk about a thing called Black Lives Matter, and that trans lives matter, or drones, or unemployment, or Chelsea Manning, or immigration. Let's talk about the misery of iniquity and the history of inequity in the roots of American phylogeny. Take your hands and run your fingers over the contours and borders that define our country on a map and feel its scars. Feel the aches of lynchings, rapes, and tears of black mothers mourning over their children left on the street for hours without help. How do we heal? What do we do? On November 9th, 2016, and January 20th, 2017, America made its decision. It told us that we need to watch out. It told us to know our place. The blacks, the queers, the illegal aliens, and the immigrants. It told us to watch our blacks because racists have the political liberty to walk without sheepskin. Sin are we. Unnatural we are. It told us that there's no wiggle room in a Christian Bible for any same-sex, no-sex, trans-sex, but sexual assault, certainly. Grabbing pussy, certainly. It told us to go back where we came from, and it told us to be scared. My people, we can mourn, we can struggle, vent, and cry, but tomorrow we rise to organize. Tomorrow we stop talking about a thing called peace and go around and creating it. Because we don't simply obtain peace, but grow into it like mama's sweater that would fit once we got older. We grow into peace to grow out of that anthem. We need to celebrate our lives and celebrate our past and create a future grounded in blackness. And prevail we must when our cause is just, and this be the motto, when the black body becomes a radical one. Over a republic true in name shall our banner rise and wave venerated. Home of the free, or the land of the free, and home of the vindicated. This is the new anthem.